Watch this. I turned one sentence into a cinematic short video on CapCut Web without touching a traditional editing timeline.
Finally, I found it.
That is the part that feels wild. CapCut Video Studio is built around FreeTimeline, so instead of dragging clips across a normal timeline and trying to force the story together manually, you build on a canvas. Idea, script, storyboard, generation, editing, and export all happen in one continuous workflow. For this video, I am making a cinematic mini-scene from one simple idea. A young explorer finds a glowing doorway in an abandoned greenhouse and has to decide whether to step through. Let's dive in. To start, you go to CapCut Web, click Video Studio, and enter your prompt in the input box to generate content. This is not the usual timeline-first editing flow. CapCut Video Studio is a FreeTimeline production workspace, which means the project is organized around the creative process, not just a row of clips. That changes the way you think. Instead of asking, where do I place this clip on the timeline, you start with the story. What is the scene? What is the mood? What is the first shot? What is the final moment? That is why this feels more useful for cinematic-style short videos. I start with one sentence. A young explorer finds a glowing doorway in an abandoned greenhouse. From there, CapCut Video Studio helps move the idea into script and structure. This is important because a lot of AI video tools are prompt only. You write something, get a clip, and then you are stuck trying to turn isolated clips into a story. Here, FreeTimeline gives you a bigger workspace. You can shape the idea, organize scenes, build a storyboard, generate visuals, make refinements, and keep the whole project connected on the canvas. For the storyboard, I would break it into a few cinematic shots. First, a wide shot of the overgrown greenhouse. Then, a close-up of the explorer noticing the glowing doorway. Then, a slow push-in as the light reflects on their face. Then, the final shot where the door opens and the scene cuts right before we see what is inside. That is the key difference. I am not just generating random visuals. I am building a sequence. FreeTimeline helps keep the story visible while I move from one step to the next. Then comes generation. With Seedance 2.0 in CapCut Video Studio, new users receive 300 free credits, so you can try the workflow before committing to a full project. So before you commit to a full project, you can actually try the workflow yourself. Once the shots are generated, I can refine them inside the same workspace. Maybe one scene needs a warmer color tone. Maybe one shot needs stronger atmosphere. Maybe the storyboard needs one extra transition so the final video feels less abrupt. The point is that FreeTimeline keeps this flexible. You are not trapped in a rigid editing lane. This is huge because you don't need a production team. You don't need to know script writing, storyboarding, or editing. You just need one sentence. Let the workflow guide you to a finished result. No prior experience required. The best part is that CapCut Video Studio is not just about generation. It is about moving from idea to script, to storyboard, to generation, to editing, to export. That continuous flow is the product. FreeTimeline is what makes the workflow feel less like editing a pile of clips and more like directing a project. My takeaway is simple. If you want to make AI short films, cinematic ads, short drama concepts, product videos, or story-first creative videos, CapCut Video Studio is built for that middle ground between beginner-friendly and creatively flexible. It gives beginners a simple start. And if you're a beginner, this is the easiest way to start. And because it is on CapCut Web, the whole thing feels accessible without needing a heavy production setup. So the workflow is clear. Start with one idea. Use FreeTimeline to build the script and storyboard. Generate with Seedance 2.0. Refine the result. Export the final video. And now, click my link to try CapCut Video Studio.